Hi there, it's Vince, VE6LK. I'm here just making a quick video to tell you about the latest tool that I've released in the series of Ham Smarter with VE6LK tools that you can find on the very front of my website. This is the tool. I call it the 200 decibel chart. It will allow you to very quickly pick out, well, gee, if I'm transmitting at 10 watts, that's 40 dBm or about 11 point something volts. And why is this handy? Well, maybe you want to figure out the fade margin or the spread when you're doing a link budget, or can my handy talkie get to there from here? Take a look at that video. I've got it linked down in the description below. So you're going to find all of these tools right on the top of my webpage where it says Ham Smarter with VE6LK tools. And you click on this link and it'll take you over to my public Dropbox where you can grab a copy of these tools and use them to your heart's content. That's it. Nice, fast, simple announcement. Ham Smarter 73. Thanks for watching.